Greetings everyone, welcome to Bohosi Kuka channel. My name is Basimani Bokopani, aka Mighty Anabi. Today we bring you an announcement regarding initiation orientation called Paratla Haro, Kumati Initiatories, and with a specific focus to the North Gate, or what is called Egypt of the West by some, otherwise known as Mananu or Manu. Alright, what do we have for you today? We are going to be opening the doors of an initiation to our people located in the Americas, and the initiation journey will begin on July 8th, 2022. Okay, and who can join this initiation? The prerequisite is that one must be an indigenous American, aka African American, Negro, colored, whatever terms that have been used. We regard you people as indigenous Americans based on our ancient knowledge of who you are. And we are opening the doors of initiation to you. And if you're interested in the program that we have, please send us an email so that we can have you join our Telegram channel. Send us an email to 2199-3145@protonmail.com. Again, that email 2199-3145@protonmail.com, and express your interest in the initiation, and you'll be provided a link plus additional instructions on what to do. All right, with that said, of course, when is the orientation? All right, the orientation will take place June 13th. This is on a Monday, 2022, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, EST. Okay, the orientation, where you will receive information about the cost of the program or the cost of the initiation and all that good stuff, and you'll of course have an opportunity to ask questions that you may have regarding the initiation itself, and we'll be glad to answer that which we are able to provide you at that time, unless such information will be exclusively reserved for the initiation. Otherwise, if you're interested, again, please send us an email at 2199-3145@protonmail.com. Again, 2199-3145@protonmail.com. We look forward to having you during this journey.